Today, we will perform a pre-installation of a JLB1500 container-type asphalt mixing plant at the factory, showing how the entire system can be assembled in just one day. First, we will install the asphalt tank, a key component for storing asphalt in the mixing plant. Next, we will install the dryer drum, the core equipment responsible for heating and drying the aggregates in the mixing plant. Next, we install the lower chamber of the baghouse dust collector. One side collects coarse dust, the other collects fine dust, which is conveyed by multiple screw conveyors to the wet mixing unit and eventually discharged outside the system. On the other side, we install the control room and the lower adjustment layer, which can also serve as a storage compartment. Next, we install the cold aggregate elevator, which transports aggregates from the hoppers to the dryer drum. Next, we install the bottom section of the integrated hot aggregate elevator and ladder platform, which also serves as a supporting leg for the main structure. This layer is the core of the entire system, the metering and mixing unit, which we have also upgraded accordingly. Next, we install the upper chamber of the baghouse dust collector, which includes the induced draft fan and the bag filter frames. This is the middle section of the hot aggregate elevator, divided into 3 segments for easier installation and transportation. Now, we are installing the vibrating screen layer and the hot aggregate bin layer. We pre-assemble these 2 sections on the ground and then install them in one step. Next, we install the head section of the hot aggregate elevator, connecting it to the vibrating screen layer via a duct. This JLB1500 unit is equipped with a powder bin for storing and supplying mineral powders. Of course, later we will also install other key components, including the cold aggregate feeder, heavy oil tank, and burner. Now, let's take a look at the overall structure of this plant. It features fast and convenient installation, a compact layout, clean and environmentally friendly operation, no foundation requirement, and easy relocation. If your project is looking for a plant like this, feel free to contact us.